In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Xero. We'll go through the full process from opening the original invoice to approving the credit note and making sure the invoice balance updates correctly. If you need to correct an overcharge, return part of a sale, or apply a customer credit against an invoice, this is the workflow you'll use. First, sign in to your Xero account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. Starting in the right company file helps avoid creating credits in the wrong place. Next, open the Invoices section. To do that, go to Sales and then select Invoices. This is where you can view customer invoices and locate the one that needs a credit applied. Now, open the invoice that requires the credit. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct invoice, especially if the customer has multiple open or recent transactions. It's always worth double-checking before making adjustments. Once the invoice is open, look for the three-dot menu. This is the More menu, and it contains additional actions related to the invoice. Click that menu to continue. From there, select Create and Apply Credit. Xero will open the credit note process based on the invoice you're currently viewing, which helps carry over the relevant customer and transaction information. Now review the credit details carefully. Check that the customer is correct, and verify the invoice information shown on screen. This is an important step because the credit note should match the reason for the adjustment and relate to the right sale. Next, enter the credit amount. Add the item details, quantity, price, and tax information for the credit. Make sure the values reflect exactly what should be credited. For example, if only part of the invoice is being adjusted, enter only that portion rather than the full amount. After that, review the credit note. Confirm the credit amount, tax treatment, and final totals. This is your chance to catch any errors before the credit becomes official. When everything looks correct, click Approve. Approving the credit note confirms it in Xero and allows it to be applied properly. Next, apply the credit to the invoice. This reduces the amount owed on that invoice by the value of the approved credit note. Finally, save the credit and complete the process. Once it's done, verify that the invoice balance has been updated correctly. You should see the remaining balance reflect the credit that was applied. And that's how to create a credit note in Xero. Thanks for watching.